Looking for a way to keep your trimmers performing like new? The Andis replacement T-blades fit your favorite models like the T-Outliner, Blackouts, GTX, and more, both cordless and corded. If you want sharp, precise lines and smooth fades, these blades are designed to deliver exactly that. What sets these blades apart is the advanced ceramic material. Unlike standard steel, this high-tech ceramic stays sharper longer and resists wear, meaning you get more consistent cuts without constantly replacing your blades. Whether you're outlining, dry shaving, or creating detailed fades, these blades hold their edge and resist heat buildup, keeping your grooming sessions cooler and more comfortable. Installing these T-blades is straightforward, just follow the simple instructions. It only takes a moment to swap out old blades and get back to sculpting clean lines and crisp designs. Plus, with the Andis GTX T-Outliner Deep Tooth Blade, longer hair feeds through faster, making light fading easier and more efficient. Andis isn't new to this. Since 1922, they've been crafting professional-grade grooming tools trusted by barbers worldwide. Their commitment to quality shows in every blade, offering you reliable performance and durability. Remember, to maximize blade life, a quick oiling before each use keeps everything running smoothly. If you're maintaining a beard or just want precise detailing, pairing these blades with attachment combs gives you full control over your style. The lightweight design, just 0.05 grams, makes handling effortless, so you can focus on perfecting your look without any fuss. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your grooming routine without investing in a whole new trimmer. These replacement blades bring your existing tools back to life, sharpening your edges and smoothing out fades like never before. If that's you, try Andis replacement T-blades when you're ready to step up your grooming game.